Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this tutorial we have come up till advanced Python. Since last 10 tutorials, 12 tutorials we had seen the basic Python, and now we have entered the advanced Python. So in advanced Python first chapter we will see the error handling in Python. So guys, exception and error handling in Python is nothing but it handles the error. In case something goes wrong, it will handle the error smoothly. I'll directly come to PyCharm. Okay, so error handling, these are nothing but the built-in exceptions which are raised in Python when someone goes wrong. So for example, int of input, and you write enter a number. All right, then I'm sorry, like this. Okay, so we have sought some number from user, and then you are doing result. So result equals to, let's say, 23 divided by a. Okay, and then you print the result. All right, so what will happen now if you run it? Enter number. So I'll enter number as 1, so it will print me 23 divided by 1. Process finished with exit code. Now what if I write 0? So it will give me an error, 0 division error. So this particular code which has been written is throwing me an error, but this may hang your user interface. Let's say some user interface is there and some user or writes it something which is not desirable, then it will throw an error. For example, if I write, instead of number I write, or again some error will be there. So to handle this error, we utilize a try methods. Here we are writing it try. Okay, and this will be tab on tab, so and so. If it doesn't happen, else accept exception as E. Okay, so this is the syntax wherein it will not throw you such kind of error. So he's saying that first try this, and if it doesn't happen, some exception happens, then you print the exception. So you write print E. Okay, now what will happen if I type an error like say 0? So you see here the process finished with exit code 0. Okay, so it has printed the exception. Earlier in the case it was throwing an error, now it is not throwing an error. So this is the try and except function wherein you are handling the exception. For example, if I write while true, okay, and then inside this I'll take, okay, 3, so it is, then 23. Now it has come in loop, so it will not exit till the time I want to exit it. Okay, I will put 0 division error. Okay, then I will put 23 1. Okay, let's say you write if a equals to quit q, if a equals to q, then break, so that you can come out of the loop. Similarly, you just run it, stop and run, enter a number. I write 3. Oh, what wrong? Q is not defined. Okay, sorry. If a equals to q, okay, 78 0 division by 0 is not possible. Then write q, invalid literal for base 10. Alright guys, so here what mistake we are doing, so we are taking it as an integer as an input. So first of all I'll have to just take as an input, and if a equals to q, then it will break it, and then I'll have to typecast it. So I'll write a equals to int of a. So I have converted into integer. Now if I write enter number 3, 233, then if I write q, it will quit the process. So this is all about the error handling, guys. So with more error handling type, we will see it in next video, guys, and wherein we will see the how to see a different kind of errors, how to handle it, and what all things and precautions required to be taken care while designing your websites and code. So that's all, guys, for this lecture. I'll see you in next lecture. Till time, see you, bye.